This channel is in no way, shape, form, or fashion associated with the original content creators. We are merely reusing the content for reactions and reviews and
Last time to come up. Fucking on the bed from the hotel.
What the fuck is up, chat? What's up with y'all? Y'all good out there, chat? Chat, is y'all ready to do this or what, bro? Behind the scenes type shit. Let's go! What's up, chat? Welcome back to the channel, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Trey, back with another song of the day. We got that Fridget, bro. Chat, we got that Fridget. This is one of them leaks I missed, bro. You know what I'm saying? We putting in that work over here at Trayvision, bro. Chat, I'm putting in that work, bro. You can't lie and say I ain't putting in that work. You know what I'm saying? All y'all new subs, I appreciate y'all for subbing up to the channel, bro. You know what I'm saying? Welcome. We just about to vibe out to that Juice World. We on this Juice World marathon. Hit that like button, comment, sub up to the channel. Hit that bell for post notifications. You know what I'm saying? Chat, y'all know how I do that shit, bro.
Hey, what she say? Tell that bitch that I don't believe a word she say. What she say? Woke up in the morning, what's the word today? She said she love me, well I don't believe a word she say. I keep on balling on my ex, Larry Bird today. One beef, pull up to the curb today. Well, get drunk, then I swerve today. Negative energy, I bet I swerve away. Told you that I get what I deserve today. Yeah, told you that I get what I deserve. Told her I'm gon' get what I deserve. Hit my phone, baby, what's the word?
What's the word?
You bout action, hit em with a verb. I'm a ball hard, baby, carrier. Hey, brand new bitch to match my whip, that bitch from Paris. Heard you got a Ford, you embarrassed. Meanwhile, I'm on the Forbes, I make it there. Heard these niggas rich, well, they be faking, yeah. Hey, eat so good, I had to grab another plate. Knock my demons out, Mayweather with the featherweight. Talking down to me, that's cool. You may die today. Traumatized today. Traumatized today.
W's in the chat, bro. I'm gonna drop that approve right here, bro. This is definitely a banger right here. Chat, how many of y'all heard this, bro? Hit the comment section. Let me know how many of y'all already heard this, bro. Damn, bro. It's crazy, bro. How many songs just leaked, bro? That's just back to back to back. Album is definitely, they getting ready to drop it, chat. It better be some bangers like this, bro. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Bibby, we gonna come see you about that, bro, if it ain't no banger. Bibby, we gonna come see you about that shit, bro, if it ain't, you know what I'm saying? If it ain't hitting like it's supposed to. Chat, let him know. Let Bibby know, chat. We about to come see that nigga, bro. You know what I'm saying? Chat, this is crazy, bro. How we still getting songs from him, you know what I'm saying? Chat, that shit just crazy how we still getting songs from Juice WRLD, bro. You know what I'm saying? That shit's amazing. The talent is there, bro. The talent is crazy. The only thing is, chat, the only thing is I'm getting tired of the AI shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. They fucking up songs with the AI juice. Chat, do y'all, bro, is y'all fucking with the AI juice or what, bro? They fucking that shit up. Only the real juice fans, y'all can tell, bro. Y'all can really tell. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all niggas can tell, cause I played one and niggas was like, nigga, that ain't it, nigga. Like, nigga, that ain't it. Don't do that no more, nigga. I was like,
I'm stuck
nigga,
in
okay.
the days.
Relax.
She gon' be mine just for a day. Get so high, I'm up and away. When I'm coming back, shit, not for some days. Split up, ate the shrooms just to see the universe don't cut it. All these niggas think they rich, but really they don't got no money. Told her I don't walk it, never, baby. All I do is run it. Okay, see, when I got the rock, I'm ballin' like a thunder. Shit on my ex, damn. Feeling like a plunger. VVS like damn. Cold like Arctic Tundra. Told you that I'm not human. Baby, I'm a monster. Chopper on me, kinda human. Heat it up, then launch it. Yeah. Heat it up, don't want it. Percocet, break it down, different.
Even Juice had to laugh at that shit, like, yeah.
Me kinda human. Heat it up, then launch it. Yeah, heat it up, don't want it. Percocet, break it down, different marijuana. Don't smoke this, you get the choking. Seas out stroking. Ay, freestyle shit. Probably finna go freestyle your bitch. Michael Phelps, when I hit, ayy. I shoot a movie, no chick flick. Burn a motherfucker like incense. Burn a real ninja. Woke up in the morning cooling. What's the word today? She say she love me, well I don't believe a word she say. I keep on balling on my ex, Larry Bird today. Ay, one beef, pull up to the curb today. Ay, well, get drunk, then I swerve today. Ay, negative energy, I bet I swerve away. Ay, told you that I get what I deserve today. Yeah, I told you that I get what I
Banger
deserve.
after banger after banger, chat. Y'all know how I go. I'm out. Trayvision.
Woke up in the morning cooling. What's the word today? She say she love me, well I don't believe a word she say.